Most of you think that you have to have all the details figured out before you're ready to begin moving in a direction. But what you're really saying is, I don't yet accept that my inner being has all the details worked out, or even more, even if my inner being does have the details worked out, I'm not sure I can hear them. So maybe I better stay where it's more secure rather than just going where it might feel better. When you get in tune with who you really are, you'll have that exhilarating feeling of wanting to leap to the next and the next and the next with no sense of insecurity, because your trust in some part of you's knowledge. In other words, you wouldn't even feel like running and leaping if there weren't something there that is solid for you. We want you to get to this trust stage that it's right for things to work out for you, and that it's right that things always are working out for you, and that it's right that your inner being knows what they are, and you don't have to prove anything to anyone. And we know for sure that the reason so many of you don't relax into the trust of letting your inner being just call you forward is because you're still at that, wait a minute, I need to prove my worthiness through struggle and hardship. I need to make it harder in order to justify the good that I hope comes. In the moment that you stop feeling that need to justify the good that comes to you, and you step more into the attitude of trusting that your inner being has taken your information and is now calling you toward a path that will not just take you to this whatever goal it is you're looking for, but will show you a never-ending, really fun path. Not a path leading to a destination, ta-da, a path leading to a destination, ta-da, and another ta-da, 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 ta-da. It's just another and another, another. Just another and another and another and another. Another life-giving, heart-opening, mind-clearing, you're worthy, you're worthy, you're worthy, you're worthy knowing, you see. We want you to be in love with yourself and in love with your life and in love with your inner being and in love with the unknown, because it's not unknown by your inner being, it's only unknown by you.